What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to the vlog. Another video, another upgrade. This right here is the covers for the diffuser on the back. I got them painted the same color of the car. It's gonna go right in here. Boom. Right there with 3M tape. I mean, it don't stay because it doesn't have the 3M tape, but I already cleaned it with alcohol. And then I use this right here that I had on a previous decals that I bought. It's a adhesion promoter pen right there. I just put some on there, so that make it to stick better. It helped it to stick better. So I already did this side over here, so that's how it's gonna look. Let me give you a better view. That's how it's gonna look right there. Boom. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I got them paint same color of the car. I paid probably like 70 something, 71, 72 bucks for it. So now I'm gonna install the other side. Look dope. That look dope. I like it. So we're gonna do this side now. Gotta take this 3M tape out a little bit. Just a little bit from each corner. And then I'm gonna put it on there. Just a little bit from each corner. Like that. So then you can grab it and pull it out. I do both sides because sometimes this thing breaks, man. Sometimes they break. It get really sticky. So anyway, how's everybody doing with this coronavirus stuff? Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content on how to do things yourself. This is all about doing things yourself. That's what it's all about. About being self-created and upgrading your car the cheapest way possible and make it look really nice. I'm telling you, man. People see my car and they think that I spend like a lot of money, and I have spent a lot of money, but not what people think I did. But most of the stuff I did them myself, and if I can create it myself, I'd even create it myself. Now I'm probably gonna end up the vlog just because I'm trying to put this here. I wanna make it look good, and I cannot do it with one hand. But if you wanna see more content about the Subi, or if you got any ideas of anything else that I should do, just leave it on the comment. Any questions, anything, just leave it on the comments and I will answer you. I appreciate the subscribers. To support the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you really like the videos, you don't have to hit it if you don't like them. But yeah, that's everything. Till the next one, be safe, you know.